You want? Check your feet. Ticklish? Shoes?
You
Oh,
cold?
wow.
You're cold? Aw. See, I'm Cinderella.
Oh, she wants to take a bite.
Thank you. Yeah, give that back to him too, so you don't break it. Say thank you, doctor. Minabolo, thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. You want to measure?
I love how she knows how to use them.
I know. She's going to be a doctor one day.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
You're gonna give that back to him too, please? Give it back, okay? Give it back to him. Uh-oh. There you go.